Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick, updated guide on how to copy your Roblox profile link using your Android device. This is super helpful if you want to share your profile with friends or on social media. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your Android device. Once it's running, take a look at the screen. You should see your profile picture at the top. Now, here's what to do next. Step 2. Tap your username located right next to your profile picture. This will take you to your profile page where you can see all your stats, games, and friends. Finally, for step 3, scroll down a bit and look for the option that says Share Profile Link at the bottom of the screen. Give that a tap, and voila! Your profile link is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere you'd like and share it with others. And that's it. Thanks for watching our quick tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome Roblox tips and tricks.